Real estate term of the day, before tax cash flow, also known as BTCF, and it has a second name. That second name is called cash throw off. You need to know that. You need to know that cash throw off has a second name, which is before tax cash flow. What is this? Well, when you reach the NOI, the net operating income, from PGI to NOI is the net operating income. Then you take out the mortgage. What's left, that is your before tax cash flow. From there, you start paying your taxes. Totally different math equation, which is called the tax effect. For more tips and tricks, please visit my website. And if you're interested in passing this state exam for the real estate license or the brokers, consider buying my $53 study guides. They're excellently written. It took me 5 years to write them, and they're exactly what you'll need to know to pass this test. Till next time.